Umhlaba ke mfethu udalwe nje ngendlela efanayo nawe, nento eyodwa nje. I-mechanism behind you and umhlaba lo is the same. Yabo nje kwane une cell nawe nomhlaba nawo wena uya cell emhlabeni. So ninonke nje nihlangene nje nakha yona ibody le yomhlaba. So uma ngabe nigula kugula wona umhlaba. So umhlaba ke nawo uyadlula kuma stages athile njengempilo yakho nje. But ukwenza through wena lokho. Yabo? So njengoba empilweni yakho kune play edlalayo nje manje. There is a play that is playing in your life. Nomhlaba ke kwenzeka the same thing. There is a play after every 411 years. There is a play that is going to play. That's what we call a background frequency. So ngiqhubeka ku part 2 ke we video engeke ngayenza ukuthi we are going to go through in a global shift we consciousness or we background frequency yomhlaba. So that is why ke you see izinto eziningi ngazuthi ziya collapse nje manje. You'll see so many things collapsing, but okwamanje ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Ukhumbule ukuthi ngithe ngiqale nje ngenze recap kancane ukuthi the last like 411 years from here to here we were in the cross of planning. So this cross kahle mangabe ungayibukanga upart 1 ngicela ubuke upart 1. I won't go back. This cross is very tribal, yabo? It's very tribal. This is where the structures of communities and organized communities, this is where all these things that you see were formed, yabo? Like sibe tribal, working together and all of those things. Institutions, social institutions, governments, bargains, community bargains. You do this, I do this, we work together. Government should take care of us. Traditional leaders and all tribe, later tribe nje uyibona ilokho nje ke attributable to this. So going forward ke let us come to 2027 now. Going forward ke ku 2027 things will shift. Ngoba sizongena kule cross oma kwi background frequency ekuthiwa it is the cross of the sleeping phoenix. Yona cross esizoza kuyona ke le. It's a background frequency yomhlaba, a new experience, the new experience of the world. This is when it's going to begin. The consciousness programmers are doing this thing. There is a cosmic blueprint esho ukuthi elandelwa umhlaba of us experiencing this thing esibiza ukuthi impilo. Things do isn't asenze ngendlela efanayo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Let me put it that way. Kuba ne frequency othola ukuthi this time this is what is happening emhlabeni. Why? Because of the mutation that's constantly happening over time. So abantu ababekhona back in the days abafana nabantu abakhona manje, and labantu abakhona manje they are fading out now futhi. They are going to, that is why I said this a new kind of human that is going to be born in 2027 ekubizwa ngokuthi i-rave. So buya singeneke kwi video ukuthi i-rave ibonakala kanjani inamapha ama features. So okumele ukwazi wena ngale cross le, the background frequency ezobe semhlabeni le. I-sleeping phoenix ke the sleeping phoenix ke inyoni leyo, if I'm not mistaken kuthiwa yakuphi Arab something like that. Sengikhohle ukuthi yakuphi, but leyo nyoni leyo iyafa ibuye ivuke, rising from ashes every time. It dies and wakes up. I don't know whether it lives 700 or 70 years, but what you have to know about that bird is that it dies and wakes up from the ashes every time. So if it dies and wakes up, that's what happens. Things are going to die. Things are going to collapse that were formed during this time. They are going to collapse. Those social whatever we have created. That is why you see government falling. Abantu, they have trust encane kabi manje government. Yabo, it's like they don't even care now. The traditional leaders, the government leaders, all these social authorities, ubabona ngathi bayabheda nje, hayi ukuthi babhediswa yini. Ingoba these things have to collapse. Ubona abantu angazi ukuthi bavukela lento yamasonto, people they don't see like isonto as something, because it's a social institutions. Ezinye ingane they don't even care about this thing of school. Lama mechanism that were created, or these organized societies esiphila ngaphansi kwawo, they are collapsing. Yabo, they are collapsing. It's because the sleeping phoenix, it dies. So now even the identity, some people will say isiphile ikhathini zokugcina, akuzona ikhathi zokugcina, azikho ikhathi zokugcina, akuzona ikhathi zokugcina. Ingoba kune shift emele ukuthi yenzeke, and over time this thing has been happening over time. Kunento ekuthiwa solar plexus, and the solar plexus has been mutating all these years. So up until in 2027 we are going to come across ingane ebizwa nge-rave, because now kunama human abasemva kwakho njengobo homo bani, homo seraphine or whatever, not homo seraphine, but when we homo sapien, angithi uzathi we are a homo sapien in transitus, because we are transiting from this homo sapien thing, we are coming to in ama-raves. By the time umuntu okugcina ozalwe before 2027, before kungena ama-raves, the last person engasekho la emhlabeni, the world will be a different, very different as something. So ke i-individuality iyona nto ihamba phambili la. Kuzoba khona isimo se selfish, what we call it, enlightened selfishness. Yabo, i-selfishness, but ezobe enlightened, kuzobe kukhona ini i-self empowerment. Umuntu uzobe individual. Okay, sengishawa ispace la. Umuntu uzophila individuality, ubiyena, abe self-empowered, abe authentic, alandele inqumo nezimiso zakhe. Kahle hle yabo, tomele uyazi nje, this is an individual cross. Yabo, this is an individual cross le esiya kuyona. People, you'll say, do your own thing, I am doing my own thing. Yabo, I live my own life, you live your own life, but we are going to be in this thing together, but living our own unique lives. Yabo, not the way things are happening, which were homogenized, as like one size fits all. So people will follow their intuition, they will dive within. It also has to do with the spiritual awakening. That is why you see so many people now. It's like this thing of spiritual awakening is imminent, no is imminent, because this is the gate of spirits, this is the gate of intimacy, this is the gate of the now, this is the gate of power. So local waki channel, actually the channel of charisma, this is an individual channel. So that is why people will be so selfish, enlightened selfishness, knowing Uti, I don't have to be homogenized, I am important, I live by my rules, all of those things. So ever since this is the gate of spirits, it goes with this one, gate of spirits, this one, spiritual abundance. People in most they will see what they are jailed, their spirit is jailed. It is locked, and this thing of spiritual awakening and seeing things for what they are, that's what is going to happen, because there is gate 20, the gate of the now. Gate of the now says you just become in the now and see things clearly. So that is the frequency that is going to be there from 2027 going forward.